A major rescue operation is underway in Indonesia after a ferry traveling from Bali to Lombok caught fire in the Lombok Strait. At least 172 people have been rescued, while one person has been confirmed dead. Survivors say the situation turned critical after flames spread through the vessel, forcing passengers to jump into the sea. The search is continuing for anyone who may still be missing. The ferry KM Putri Yasmin was sailing from Padangbai port in Bali to Lembar port in Lombok when the fire broke out. The vessel was carrying passengers and vehicles when the blaze began. According to survivors, the fire quickly intensified, leaving passengers with little choice but to abandon the ferry. One survivor described how an officer eventually told passengers that the ship could no longer be saved. An officer told us the ship could no longer be saved and that we should jump into the sea.
An officer told us the ship could no longer be saved and that we should jump into the sea. So we immediately jumped into the water and waited until rescue boats arrived from Lombok.
The fire kept getting bigger. When I looked, I saw that about half of the motorcycles parked inside the ferry had already been burned. They told us to stay calm at first, so we tried to see whether the fire could be extinguished and whether the situation could still be controlled. We had tried to find a way for people to be saved, but in the end, we were told to jump.
Another survivor said the fire had spread rapidly, with motorcycles parked inside the ferry also catching fire. The fire kept getting bigger. I saw that about half of the motorcycles parked inside the ferry had already been burned. Rescue teams from Bali and Lombok were quickly deployed as passengers were evacuated from the burning vessel. By Wednesday afternoon, officials said 172 people had been rescued and taken to ports in Bali and Lombok. One Indonesian national was confirmed dead. Among those rescued was one Australian national, while the remaining survivors were Indonesian. However, questions remain over the exact number of people who were aboard the ferry. Local officials said the vessel's manifest listed 114 passengers and 17 crew members. That figure is significantly lower than the number of people later reported rescued. Authorities are continuing to establish the full passenger count and determine whether anyone remains missing. The incident happened on the busy route connecting Bali and Lombok, two major Indonesian islands that attract large numbers of tourists and travelers. The Lombok Strait is also an important maritime route between the islands. For the passengers aboard the kilometer Putri Yasmin, however, what began as a routine journey quickly became a fight for survival. With flames spreading through the ferry, passengers were forced into the water and had to wait for rescue boats to arrive. Rescue teams are continuing their search for any passengers who may still be missing. Authorities are also expected to investigate what caused the fire and why the blaze spread so quickly. We will bring you the latest updates as the rescue and investigation continue.